For years, the FPV community has lived by a difficult compromise. Cinematic shots required bulky, custom-built drones, while ready-to-fly systems offered convenience but sacrificed image quality. But what if I told you that DJI, the undisputed king of the skies, is preparing to launch a drone so advanced, it completely erases that choice? We are talking about the DJI Avata 3. This is not an iteration. This is the moment FPV flying goes mainstream with cinema-grade image quality. This video is your deep dive into the most guarded leaks, the internal design blueprints, and the industry whispers that confirm the Avata 3 is coming. And it will be DJI's most disruptive FPV drone yet. Every pilot, every content creator, every adventure seeker is about to face a brutal reality. Upgrade or be left behind. The Avata 2 was revolutionary, but it paved the way for something bigger. Literally. The single most staggering leak is the camera sensor. Forget the previous sensor size. The Avata 3 is heavily rumored to feature a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. Let that sink in. A 1-inch sensor, packed into a protected Cinewhoop body. This means image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance that should be impossible in a drone designed to fly indoors and through tight gaps. No more noisy night shots. The Avata 3 is rumored to see in the dark. This massive sensor upgrade is paired with video capabilities that will set a new industry standard. 4K video at 120 frames per second. Uncropped, clean, and ready for stunning cinematic slow motion. If you want high-speed, heart-stopping FPV action, the Avata 3 will deliver footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood blockbuster. But performance isn't just about the camera. It's about the flight. Leaks suggest the Avata 3 will receive a major overhaul to its flight performance and efficiency. We're talking about top speeds reaching 140 kilometers per hour. A massive jump that caters directly to the experienced FPV pilot seeking adrenaline-pumping speed. More importantly, the rumored larger battery capacity, potentially up to 3,000 mAh, is expected to push flight times dramatically, giving us extended sessions that the Avata line desperately needed. And DJI has finally learned the crucial lesson of FPV: safety and stability. Rumors are swirling about omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, not just forward or backward, but all around. This means unprecedented safety for beginners flying in complex environments, and a new level of confidence for experts pushing the limits. This drone knows where it is and where it's going, preventing those devastating crashes that plague the FPV world. The user experience is also getting a massive overhaul. The Avata 3 is expected to launch alongside, or be compatible with the highly anticipated DJI Goggles 4 and a new, more ergonomic motion controller. The goggles are rumored to offer a sharper, higher-resolution feed with ultra-low latency, making the first-person view experience more immersive and less nauseating than ever before. The DJI Avata 3 is not just an FPV drone. It is DJI's ultimate statement, a rugged cage flyer that delivers the image quality of a professional video camera. It's the tool that will democratize cinematic FPV. The skies are about to get a lot more exciting. Prepare your wallets and clear your calendar. The future of flight